This is the Huawei Honor MagicWatch 2. It's in ambient mode right now, always on screen, analog or digital, or you can choose from many different watch faces to display all of the activities, including heart rate, step count, power level, even the current weather. You've got all kinds of controls here you can swipe into, notifications as pushed from your phone, and a few other panels including step count, music player, weather is in here as well. On the health side, you've got heart rate information with live heart rate tracking, stress, and more. When you tap the button, you get into your app drawer where you can do workouts, check your recent records, heart rate, sleep monitoring, breath exercises. It handles phone calls for receiving or making calls tethered to your phone. It has barometric pressure, a built-in compass, notifications, all kinds of stuff, and you can set an active button to go into any of the activities that you'd like to do. All in all, it's a very robust watch, very thin, beautiful thing. It's called the Huawei Honor MagicWatch 2. Check it out.